Hello and good morning from Stuttgart. My name is Christina and I'm responsible for the cooperation and partnership management at TecCom. Today we have the pleasure to be at our long-term cooperation nexmart and get a very nice interview with Ms. Bina. So, let's go! Thank you, Ms. Bina, for having us here today.
It's a pleasure having you here.
Thank you. Could you give us a brief introduction about you and your position at nexmart, please?
Yes, I work at nexmart as a business associate and I take care of the retailers in the northern countries in Europe like Sweden, Denmark and so on. And I also take care of partner management, so that's why we're actually here today. So I took care of the cooperation with our partners as TecCom, for example.
Mm-hmm. Perfect, thank you for that. And now could you let us know a little bit more about nexmart? So what are you doing at nexmart? What are your solutions, your products? In which branch you're acting in? Which markets you're serving? What are your customer groups? So give our audience a little insight about about your business.
Yes, so nexmart is a German company. We are based in Stuttgart, in the south of Germany. While we have 8 locations worldwide, we operate also in North America and Canada. And we take care of the digital networking of our customer, which are manufacturers, and they are distributors and retailers. And what we offer are solutions that go from simple EDI connections to most individual one and most complicated one. And we also offer data-driven products. For example, our Buy Now solution that enables sales at our customers on their website. Mm-hmm. And our focus is mainly the B2B construction sector.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Perfect. So means nexmart mainly acting in the B2B construction area or sector, and TecCom mainly acting in the IAM, so in the independent automotive aftermarket. In the first instance, it's not that obvious how the two businesses are connected. But I think as nexmart and TecCom or Tech Alliance are always searching for synergies and for making the business better and creating more efficiency at the end also for the customers. Mm-hmm. Our cooperation was already started many years ago. So can you give insights here? So what does our cooperation does? So which business processes are connected and which customers group we are targeting?
Mm-hmm. Yes, indeed. So the cooperation between nexmart and TecCom started over 15 years ago, and the first product or solutions that we offered together were the possibility for the TecCom retailer to send stock orders to the nexmart manufacturers. And what we do is exactly enable the TecCom retailers to have a direct connection to their manufacturers, which are also nexmart customers. So as mentioned, we started with stock orders, and in the years we developed or we moved on with other solutions. For example, reverse messages. This means that the retailers can also get the order confirmations or invoices or dispatch notes back from their manufacturers. And last but not least, we also have express orders that will come soon, and many other solutions that are on our roadmap. Mm-hmm.
Perfect. Yeah, this sounds very good. So it means the activation of the reverse messages, which is the new functionality, can be connected or can be requested from the retailer at your side, right? So yes. Means depending on the supplier's availability, we can then activate the reverse messages in the business relation, and this means also more information which the retailers get from the suppliers in the ordering process.
Yeah, exactly. They will get the qualified information coming directly from the manufacturer.
Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Yeah, mm-hmm. And as you also mentioned, the express orders, I think it's also a benefit for our customers that they have this option to make also the express orders and it's a desired functionality.
Yeah, it's very requested indeed.
And of course, more functionalities are yet to come. Yes, perfect. So in the next step, which benefits do you see for our customers? So for the nexmart suppliers and also for the TecCom distributors or retailers.
Yes, there are many benefits, but the most important one is that we offer really a direct connection between retailers and their manufacturers. They can reach our network of manufacturers in 68 countries. And so the most important benefit is that the TecCom retailers can just stay on their platform and their system, and from there they reach their manufacturer. And the manufacturers that used to work with nexmart, they can just use the interface they've always have and reach their retailers on the other side. And this means in the end an increased process efficiency, digitalization on both sides.
Yeah. So I think these both points, the increased efficiency, and digitalization. I think these are very important points, and we can create this benefit for our customers, and this makes life easier for all involved parties. Yeah. Okay. Good. So do you see some challenges which are coming up or we're currently dealing with in your sector, or talking with your customers about in general in the e-business or in your market?
Yes, so challenges, there are always a few, but this last years, the most requested thing is to have updated catalog data. So retailers really struggle to harmonize all catalog information, product information that they receive from their manufacturers. So nexmart is now developing new services to fulfill this need. And also another pain point, let's say, it's for retailers to know their prices and availabilities before they place an order. So also nowadays with this uncertainty on the delivery chain, it's very important to know if what I am ordering as a retailer is available, what would this will cost me. And so we have for this also an old solution, actually. It's called the Data Cloud, which has been updated last year. And through this Data Cloud, the retailer can check prices and availabilities on the items they want to order. If they don't have an item in stock, they can access to this cloud and download the product information they need, and again ask for prices and availabilities before they place the order. This is not only a nexmart solutions, but this will also be integrated in the future in the TecCom services, so that we can also offer this kind of services to your customers then.
Yeah, perfect. This sounds really good. And as you mentioned, so we are working on the challenges and trying to give also benefit then for our customers, so that they have always the most up-to-date information on both sides. Perfect. Good. And last but not least, so how do you experience our cooperation and development processes we are going through together?
I must admit, I really appreciate the cooperation with TecCom, because we always manage to get projects to run very smoothly. We reach the goal very fast and efficiently. And also last year we had a boost in our collaboration. We found new synergies. We realized that our product and services, even if we focus on different branches, they can be complementary, so that both our product and services can complement each other. And so we developed a new roadmap, new goals, such as the Data Cloud, the express orders I mentioned before. So I'm really looking forward to the next steps in this collaboration.
So thank you for your honest opinion. We also really appreciate the cooperation with nexmart. I think it's going hand in hand always. We are trying to get the best out of our cooperation, making the processes smooth internally and also externally. And yeah, we are also very excited to connect more and more functionalities and follow up on the current working together. So thank you for your time today, for inviting us to your very nice offices in Stuttgart. And yeah, so
thank you also for being here.
Thank you.
It was a pleasure.